channel. How's everyone doing today? Today, as you see by the title, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this collection with Dose of Colors and Shyla. She is a YouTuber and Instagrammer. I will have her information down below, but I wanted to show you the box. Isn't this pretty? So now I'm going to open it up for you guys to see the inside as well. When you open it, you see it has like clouds on the interior, and then this is how the package came in. I'm trying to show you without spilling everything out, and that's everything that's in there. So I'm going to take things out one by one. Okay, so as you see on the interior, it says hope you enjoy, with love, Shyla. And online it says it's a heaven sent lip something, if I'm paraphrasing there. But we have this beautiful card here with her on it. Isn't she gorgeous? And then on the back of the card, it shows you the 3 items that you are getting. This set retails for $39. Before I go a little more, I want to show you the stickers that came. These are the stickers that came inside as well. They're very, very pretty. One says Soul Happy. The other one says Shyla. Another one says Shyla. This one has like a heart with wings, and then it says Dose of Colors, and then it's 2 pictures of Shyla. I will insert pictures right here so you guys can see that up close. So here's the packaging. It's a beautiful pink color, and all over it says Shyla. It's embossed. It's really, really pretty. And this set retails for $39. So it's a saving of $10 because each individual item, for instance, you get a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a velvet mousse lipstick in this set. So I'm going to slide it out so you guys can see how that looks. So the sleeve just comes off, so it was in like this and just slides right out. And as you can see, you have the 3 items that I mentioned. So you have the lip liner, the velvet mousse lipstick, and then you have the lip gloss. So first I have for you the lip gloss, and it is a beautiful rosy mauve color. I feel like this is a nice everyday shade to wear, and all over it says lip gloss, and it says glossy, and on the cap it says Shyla. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that because the letters are white. And the next thing we have is the velvet mousse lipstick. This is a new formulation, I believe. I don't believe Dose of Colors has anything like this. They have liquid lipsticks, but not a mousse lipstick. And this one is also called Shyla, and this is a little deeper in tone, if you see it, even though it's a rosy mauve. If you look at them together, you see that this one is more has a little more mauve in it. This one has a little more pink in it, in my opinion. And then the third item in here is the lip liner, which I believe it's also called Shyla. Does it say it on here? Yes, it's also called Shyla. So everything in here is called Shyla, and online everything is described as a rosy mauve color. So online, if you were to buy these all individually, the lip liner by itself is $14. A liquid lipstick from theirs is $18, and a lip gloss is $17. So that's a total of $49. So you're saving $10 by getting this set. This set is limited edition. It is still available on the Dose of Colors website. I wanted to make sure that before I did this video for you guys, because I actually ordered this a while ago, and this is actually now when I'm starting to use it for you guys here on camera. So let's just get into swatching everything on the lips. So I'm going to start with the lip gloss by itself to show you what that looks like. And I really do like the formulation of Dose of Colors. As you guys can see, it's a paddle, so it's thin. And this is like, in my opinion, the best applicator when you're putting on any kind of lip product. So we're going to go right in. And this is the lip gloss. And it's very smooth. And I like how pigmented it is. And this lip color goes perfectly with this eye makeup that I did today. Excuse, I went a little heavy on the blush today. I didn't mean to. But I really like this. It's not sticky. For me, it's a lip gloss, but in my opinion, it feels more like a liquid lipstick that's not matte. I really like how it feels. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla, if I'm Yes, it smells just like a cupcake if you ask me, like vanilla. And I love the scent of vanilla. So this is SHYLA'S lip gloss. And I really, really like it. I think it's a very nice color. I think it'll complement everyone. So I'll be right back to put on the lip liner. So here we have the lip liner, and it's a twist up lip liner. You don't have to sharpen it. So for those of you who prefer a twist up, then I think you'll like this a lot. Me personally, I like to sharpen it because I like to get a really sharp edge, but that's fine. I'm flexible. So here we go. It's going on very easily. It's not tugging on my lips at all, which is great. And it does not feel drying either, because sometimes with these twist ups, it can feel very drying on the lips. So that is the lip pencil. Excuse how messily it looks, but I think that's just redness from when I wiped off that lip gloss, because that lip gloss did not want to come off. So that is the lip liner. And just because I already have it on, I'm going to apply the lip gloss on top so you guys can see how it looks together. I feel that with the lip liner, it looks pinker. What do you guys think? Right? Because I feel like by itself, the lip gloss, it looked more rosy. But I feel with the lip liner, it made it look a little more pink. They feel good together. And again, that lip liner did not feel drying. It did not tug on my lips. So I really like it a lot. And this is my first time trying one of the Dose of Colors lip liners, because I have tried their liquid lipsticks, which I'm a huge fan of. And I'm actually wearing Dose of Colors eyeshadows and their highlighter in Mírame, and this is from the Friendcation palette, which unfortunately, I'm sorry, those things aren't available, but it's just coincidence I wore those today. They are my favorites. Okay, so I'm going to take this lip comb off, and I'll be back to try out the Velvet Mousse lipstick by itself. Okay, so here is the Velvet Mousse lipstick. And I think this is going to be a lot darker just from the way it looks. And the bottle is frosted. I don't know if you guys noticed that. So I'm glad that they did that, because it helps you distinguish which one you're putting on. So the shinier packaging lets you know that it's a lip gloss, and the frosted one lets you know that it's going to be more of a matte consistency, if is what I'm trying to say. I'm sorry. So okay, so it has that same paddle, which I absolutely love. I think it makes it easier to put on your lips. So let's put this on. Yeah, it's just like I thought. It's definitely darker. And what I'm gonna do, I thought of this now, is I'm gonna put the lip liner and then this on top so you can see the comparison of the two. So I'm trying not to press my lips together. And even though this is a velvet mousse, it doesn't feel dry. So let's line the lips real quick on the top with the same lip liner, and then I'm gonna put the mousse on top so you can see the difference of the, you know, one with the liner, one without. Hold on, make sure. So I feel like the lip liner is the same color as the mousse, the lipstick. Yeah, it's definitely the same shade. All right, so let's put this on top. And it does not feel dry on the lips, even though it's a velvet. It feels very smooth on the lips. You see my lips are very, I can move them together easily. Like, you see how that's gliding on? It is really smooth. And my lips, I don't know if that's the lip liner. Okay, everyone, so let's talk about this set. First thing I want to tell you, if you're going to use the mousse one, only do one swipe on the bottom, one swipe on the top, because you saw how I was looking like my lips were peeling. It was just because I had too much product on. So if you go a little ham like I did, just blot it with a tissue and you will be fine. As far as the longevity, I couldn't really tell you because this is the first impressions, but based on putting it on, I don't feel like it's gonna move around. I feel like that it's going to last you like a typical lipstick would, you know, if you eat or whatever, some of it will come off. I don't think it will all come off at once unless you're eating something really oily. So I do like the formula and I do love how it feels. It's unscented. This one does not have a scent on it, which is okay. I don't mind as long as it doesn't smell like makeup. It has no scent in my opinion, but I really like it and the packaging is beautiful. The lip liner, I do like it a lot, even though like I mentioned, I'm usually like a sharpener that you can sharpen, but I like this one because it did not tug on my lips. It glide on very nice and the color is beautiful. So this lip liner, you can take it and just put it all over your lips and go out the door and you'll be fine. And if you want to just intensify the color a little more, just pop this on top because these two are the same color in my opinion. Now the lip gloss. The lip gloss, I love it. For me, it's not really like a gloss. I feel like it's more like a lip cream because it really was opaque. You don't even need to put a lip liner. Just put this on and you're ready to go out the door. And I love that it smells like vanilla. Vanilla is one of my favorite scents for lip products. So I really do like it a lot. It's just such a beautiful color. So I think that Shyla and Dose of Colors, they did a great combination here. So however you want to mix and match it, go right ahead. I don't think you will be disappointed because in my opinion, this is a Your Lips but better color. So I absolutely love it. I'm really happy that I picked it up. So all I can say to you is that if you can get this, definitely run and get it because it is a limited edition set and I know they still have it on their site, but you never know, things sell out so quickly nowadays. So I absolutely love it. I highly recommend it and I think it's a great value, $39 for 3 items and you are saving $10 in total. So those are my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.